In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Start by launching two apps you wanna use in this view in the background. Let's go with Files, so I have to click on this app and tap on Home button, and maybe Play Store. Now to access background apps, click on this button, in my case at the bottom left corner, and then decide which app you wanna use on the left side of your screen, or if your device is rotated, at the top. Click on the icon of it, select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at once. If you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps again and swipe them, or you can hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up, all the way down, or in my case, all the way to the right or to the left. Then use Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!